Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that let changes stick. Sign into your Apple ID and enable Sync Library so edits sync across devices. Once done, open the Apple Music app. Make sure your device OS and the app are updated to avoid compatibility issues. If you plan to add local files, locate them now. Next, navigate to Library, or for you depending on what you'll change, because you'll perform edits inside those exact sections, so be at the right screen before moving on. Now you perform the edits themselves. For metadata changes, select a song, tap the three dots and choose Edit, update title, artist, album, or artwork to correct libraries. This ensures accurate sorting and searches. To reorganize listening, create or rename playlists, drag tracks into them, and reorder items. If you need different file versions, import replacements on Mac OS Music or add files via the Files app on iOS. Make sure Sync Library is on so updated files propagate across devices. Finish by verifying your changes. Wait for a sync to complete and then review library, playlists, and metadata on each device. If something didn't update, toggle Sync Library off and back on to force a refresh and allow time for propagation. If tracks are missing or duplicated, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, restart the device, or re-import the affected files. If edits still fail, confirm your storage and network. Most sync errors come from connectivity or account issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.